Hello. Hello. Let's see which one of these work the best. I'm not sure. Hello. Hello. Let's see which one of these work the best. I'm not sure. Okay. I think that'll work. Hello. Hello. Let's see which one of these work the best. I'm not sure. Okay. I think that'll work. Hello. Hello. Yeah, I'll live stream today for a couple hours. Probably do it tomorrow as well. I believe you can hear me okay, right? Alright, looks like we're open. Looks like we're getting a little reshuffle. Everything's going to the upside, looks like. Alright, cool. Mojo. Oh, like Qs are dipping down right now. S&P's going up. Hmm. Let's see if we can catch a falling knife here. Alright, 621. Looks like we got upside move. Let the numbers settle down a little bit. As you remember, this will be a little bit delayed for you. I believe the delay is about 30 seconds on YouTube. So I think you can look at the chart time. 9:33 and 40 seconds. You can look at your chart time and figure out what the offset is. Alright, looks like Q's come down through the 622. And looks like SPX or SPY sitting at the 690 with looks like rate of change going up. Upside nodes gaining, downside nodes are getting weaker. Definitely not moving yet. So, alright, 621. 21, 22, 23 is all sitting there gaining strength. We're losing strength at 616 down below. Alright, Q's are drilling for right now. I don't know why. I'm all in at 618. We get to 618 and we bounce 618, 1750. I'm going in, well, 617 I'll go in, or 618 I'll go in half, 617 I'm doubling it up. All the green to the upside. All these rate of change on the nodes are showing green to the upside, and the rate of change on the lower nodes is negative. It's all losing strength to the bottom side. And we see some growing down here as, on SPX. Keep an eye on that. Alright. 620 is now growing nicely. I don't know if that'll give us a bounce, but we'll see. Alright, 621 became bigger than 620. Lost a little bit. Still not moving too much right now, so we got time to wait, watch it, see what happens. 620 could be our launching pad, not sure, on the Qs. $6.90 SPY has the most magnet pool right now. And then the sum of the numbers above is a little higher than the sum of the numbers below. We're kind of stuck right now. Alright, we're back to seeing the growth going to the upside again. We had a brief pause on that. VIX came down quite a bit. We're down at 1571. Yeah, I think we're ready for a bounce. How's everybody doing out there? Anybody taking any trades yet? Hmm. Yeah, exactly. Me too. I don't see anything I like yet. Yeah, no problem, Wookie. Just want to give you guys a little taste and see what it looks like. Uh, got these other two charts. I'll briefly bring them over. Can I switch? Let me see if I switch. Mm, mm. Yeah, I've got the SPY and the Qs on the other page as well. They do well as well. So let you guys take a look at those real quick. Yeah, I'm looking at 620 bounce. Uh, but I'm not sure because 616 looks pretty strong as well. I just don't know. We're pretty far away from 620, so I'm not sure. I'll bring it over and let you see it. I think I can. Oh, we just shuffled on SPY. SPY just shuffled a bit. Let me throw this over here. Let you guys see this one. SPY and Qs. Ah, 620 came down through. Shuffle on the SPY. I put on some put spreads, some bull put spreads earlier yesterday evening. So they're looking good on the futures contracts. Down around 68.20, 68.10, and we're trading at 69.50 right now. So yeah, yep, they are auto refreshed every 60 seconds with Skylit, correct. So yeah, if you're in the Discord, you can see, let me see, where is that Discord? It's code and script under education. It's actually under HeatSeeker, frequently asked questions. Does anybody know how to integrate? And so it's two pieces of this. There's an extension that scrapes the data from one tab, and then a Pine edit for TradingView. That's what you see flashing up, and it gets written every 60 seconds from the extension to the TradingView tab. Alright, here we come. We're coming down here. So we're down 619 on Qs, 688.60. I don't like the looks of that. But 6900 looks like a good bouncing spot for SPX. Unless SPY pulls it further down. And we don't have anything on Qs till 617, so alright. Let's see what we're going to do here. If we're going to bounce or not. Looks like we're drilling through. 6903. Alright, coming up to 6900 King node. Alright, looks like a bounce here.
Order filled.
Alright, there we go. Let's see what we're going to do. Alright, let's bounce. Looks like we got a reversal indicator as well. Alright, there we go. Let's bounce it, baby. You're right, I do too, but it fell so far, right? And there's nowhere else. So if I'm wrong and it falls through, I'm going to take a loss and go full puts, but it can work for the bounce. When the negatives are above, they pull it up, it seems like, but when the negatives are below, it can be a good bounce, I've seen, for me. Alright, up 160 ticks. Let's keep rocking. I'm playing NQ today, actually, so and looks like we can push up back up into 622. We'll look for that. That's what I'm looking for anyway. On Q's. But that was a good clean bounce off 6900. Got a lot of green to the upside. Or I say green. We got a lot of increasing node sizes to the upside again. The 691, 692, 693, all those are getting bigger. 623 on Q's is king node now and growing. Alright, let's rock and roll. Let me set my stop in here. Set my stop up here about 50 points. 50 ticks, I mean. Anybody catch any good trades in there? I caught the bounce. Still in it. Give it a little time to work itself out. I also changed the chart to 3-minute chart instead of 1-minute chart. Hey, good morning to you too. Good evening for me. Only been on here about half an hour. I won't stay on all night. Probably just stay on here first hour and a half or so.
Order
So it's
filled.
about another hour. Oh, stop got filled. It's filled for a little profit, not a lot. Might catch another bounce off of here. Let's see how far we come. I definitely don't like taking second bounces, or third bounces for sure. Second, maybe. But I downsize it a little bit, and then I'll add to it if the bounce substantiates itself, if it keeps going up. I do like the growing nodes to the upside on Qs and SPY. I like to watch SPY more than I do SPX. I do look at SPX because there's a lot of volume there. But SPY kind of shows to me it's a little cleaner. The numbers are larger, so they can spread out more. I definitely don't want to see it come all the way down to a 685. So I'm hoping 687 holds it up. Okay, yeah, all right. Is TQQQ down today? Let me see. No, it's going up. Not a lot, but it's up a little bit. Might sell another put. Alright, looks like we're going to play around right here and bounce again at 6,900. I'll go for it. I'll go half size. Right down here. Limit by 5. Oh, we're already in
Order
the money.
filled.
Alright, there we go. Oh yeah, I was going to ask, do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear my desktop audio? I had it set for desktop audio as well. So you can hear the fills. Hear the trades going through. Alright, let's go. Let's bounce. Little shuffle there on the SPY, on the SPX. We got red nodes to upper and a little bit green growing to the bottom side now. So not sure if this is going to hold, the bounce is going to hold or not. Alright, time for a stop loss to get set. Alright, let's go. Let's bounce. 6,900. Rock and roll. What are we doing on? Okay. ES is still 69.35. Alright. How's everybody looking on their trades?
Order filled.
Ah, stop got hit. That'll keep me from losing a bunch though. Let's see where we stop. We're pushing on through, coming down lower. That was a nice little jump. Alright, we're drilling again. Alright, we've been pulled down to the green zone. We get 616. I guess I need to stop going long and go short. See if we can make a run down to 617.
Order filled.
Alright, let's go short and see what we get. Still sitting here. See what we can do. Alright, broke down below 618 just slightly. I trade cash and prop. So right now I'm actually playing with a prop right now, um, as far as day trading style. But um, I sell credit spreads. Usually put credit spreads on live account, cash account on Schwab, and some on IBKR as well. I like different trading accounts for different features. My IBKR is a small account, but I'm trying to grow it with daily selling put spreads. But yeah, I've just recently taken up prop accounts, prop trading, and I want to try to pass it and grab some kind of like that on the cheap side. And then I also do automated trading as well. I have some automations that run throughout the day. Some multiple entry iron condors and some butterflies and stuff like that that trade 0 DTE but automated. I'm waiting for the bottom to fall out. Keeps hanging right here. I feel like tech wants to come down some more. But it's right in that magnet zone, I guess. Qs are right there between 616 and 619. Large amount of GEX values right there. So, all right, here we go. Here comes a little bit of more flush further down. All right, come on, come on, come on. Give me 617.50, and I'll close it. Qs are showing a good setup as far as going up, but not until they reach. Oh, all right, we just shuffled. The Qs just shuffled. These negative nodes are showing here 18 and 19, and 17 just kind of diminished a bit. Well, it rolled down to 16 actually. So but prop firm, I trade Top Step currently. It's the first one I've tried. I like the setup on the team viewer. Let me put a stop in here pretty soon because this thing keeps on staying right here at this level. Doesn't seem to go much lower. But yeah, the Qs just shuffled and they're showing like it's gonna bounce. I just don't know from where. So I'm trying to catch the downside before the bounce as well. So we've lost 618, coming through 617. 1750 is where my target is. Mm. Let's go. Yeah, looking at SPY chart, it's rounding out. to move back up. Q's is setting up, but sometimes I see this break down as well. Gonna trust my heat map. If it gets back to 619, I'll sell more for the deflection off of the 619 to come down a little bit. Next, I'll just
Order filled.
$18.50. All right, here we go. Uh, 18. Okay. Does that have a loud click? I'm just hitting the mute button on my headset, and looks like it clips the audio on my setup. I don't want to be a loud thump sound, but all right, we're coming back to 19 again. Pushing it down. Let's get some more of these. Let's sell 4 more. Okay. All right, sorry about that. I won't do that anymore. I'll just actually I can just mute it on OBS. Okay, I can use that mute right there. Okay. Don't use this system a lot. I mean, I don't do live a lot. Should do more often. But I'll get the hang of it.
Order filled.
All right. There we are, 618.85. Push it back down. See what we can get. All right, deflection back down. Let's see where we go to.
Order filled.
All right. Got out of that short with some cash, so that's good. So you see that 619 deflection gave you a little money there. It's pretty simple. You can see it over here on this chart. We went right up to 19, stopped, came back down. Now we're going back up again. So come and tap it again. Hopefully we go back through, but we're going to watch the heat map and see where, and then SPY's sitting right here at the base to go back up as well if it doesn't get pulled back through. But definitely want to keep an eye on the growth of these nodes above and below. The rate of change. That's the word I was looking for. Rate of change. Alright. Okay, looks like we're all negatives here. Gonna pull back up to the upside. It does look like a rocket ship is forming. So let's get long. Let's get long and see what we got. Alright, where are we going? Where are we going?
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in it for long. Alright, there's our 620 back. 620 growing, coming into 619. Let's get a whole point up to 620 and move through 620, go up to 621's gaining as well. Let's rock and roll. Time to bounce. Hmm. Looking good on the bounce. Anybody else catch the bounce? Big old 620. And then a little air pocket at 621 and up to 622. So I'd say 621, 621.50 on a Q's be my target. See if we can make that happen. Oh yeah, we got rate of change going up. What's this dump for? Well, if we revisit 617, all right, got a little shuffled back down. So the entries should be small enough size, close to the money. Small enough size and close to the money in order to uh, not be oversized, so that you don't have to worry about it. Close to the money because the later in the day, I would say no more than a 30 delta, 35 delta away from the money, because the decay just starts happening so quickly on 0 DTEs. I've got a limit order in on the NQ to add more, but it looks like it's bouncing already. Yep, we came right back down and retested back down at 618, or the bottom 618. Back up to 619. See if we can get through 20 up through 21. Alright, let's go. Rock and roll straight up. Alright, looking good. Let's go. This is a temporary top ceiling. Keeps getting stuck on here. Yeah, we got some spot or SPX growth at the top. Some SPY shuffle straight or up a little bit again. Yeah. Somebody just said Trump's going to tweet. He can feel it. You never know. We'll see. My other trades going on or what? Turn to my other trades going on. Let me see. This one. Why not? What's going on here? Alright, we're sitting here around 619. I want to get up above this actually. Push up to 2021. Alright, I might add some to this one. It's gonna go through. So I'll try so two of these 5. Go to that one. Yeah, we're pulling up. I see a lot of growth to the upside on SPY and Qs. Rate of change is to the upside. I do some experimenting with this live. It looks like our live is off by like a minute and something. Yeah, 10:32, 10:30. Yeah, it's almost 2 minutes. That shouldn't be that far off, I don't think. So I'll do some playing around with this tomorrow. All right, let's go. Let's bounce it. All right, here we
Order
go.
filled.
Here we go. Here we go. I just sold 2 contracts. Holding on to the last 3. There's my push that I was looking for. Up to 20. Let's go through 21. Threat my stop loss. And get out with some profits. Rock and roll. Let's go. All right. Higher, higher. It's 20. 620. All right. Just had a little shuffle on SPY. Come on now, let's push it back up. We were on a good little run here. Guess I can straighten this out a little bit. Spread it out a little bit so we can see better. Alright, let's go 620 again. Push through 621. Yeah, I'm looking at 621. I'll clear out at 620.50. That's my target. Six 2010. Come on. Let me see what you got. It deflected off 620. Come on, pull it up through. Or deflected off 621 actually, but yeah. See if we can pull it up through here. Got to be patient. Push through to 621. So do you trade a prop firm yet? I guess you maybe not, but yeah, if you trade a prop firm, that'll give you the practice, and also you have a little bit of skin in the game. But for me, I just treat it like a game. I want to win. It does cost money to play the game. Uh, Prop firm is about as easy as you can go. Easiest way, or um, the way to lose the least amount of money, but still learn, still get the feeling, still get the live trading experience. I would highly suggest trying one out. I do like Top Step. The trading platform is fairly easy. Trail stops, the take profit and stop losses canceling each other out. That's a good feature. Some other ones don't have that feature. It's getting the push I was looking for right now, so that's good. Here we go. 620.16, 620.23. Oh, there goes some trades there in my Schwab account. Iron Condors going on now. Let me see how those look. Condors. Just getting started. 38. Let's go. Come on. I said 620.50 is what I'm looking for. See if we can get there. 42. Nice. Very nice. Let's go. Push to 50. High was 43. Let me see. 50. 620.50 is what I'm looking for. I might take it. I might not take it all off. It's starting to pick up some steam. I think I'll sell 2 contracts. What do I got left? 3 contracts. I'll take off most of it and leave a runner. I'm gonna sell 2 up here. Let's see what we get. 25,660. $38, $37. Where are we at? 620.45 is our high. 5 cents away from my target. Let's go. Let's go. 48 we hit. A little bit more. There it is, 49. Did we hit 50? 54 we did.
Order
Yep.
filled.
There it goes, order filled. I got 1 runner left. Move my stop up. All right, that kind of broke the water right there, didn't it? Broke the seal. All right, reload for another bounce. There we go. How we looking online, guys? I'm about ready to wrap it up. Head on to bed and let my automation do the rest. I gotta close out this. Close out this one. Have we shifted any? No. Alright, we still got the same target. If we come back down here to 20 and bounce, that'd be nice. Alright, let's load up on a couple more. Down here for a bounce.
Order filled.
Oop, order filled. Let's get busy. I got my stop set too, just in case we come down lower than I want to. Alright, here we go, 620.
Order filled.
Oh, yep, stop. No problem, I'm out. That's $700 for the day on my prop account. That's not bad. We'll let it sit there. Keep trading it a little bit at a time. I don't trade P&L, I trade the levels, right? So hope you guys do the same thing. Trade the levels, don't trade P&L. Trade small, trade often, and you'll succeed. It'll work good. All right, and I will come back and do this again tomorrow on Friday and see what we get for a little while. I'm gonna work on the timing. Shouldn't be as much offset. Shouldn't be behind by as much as it is. So let me figure out how to figure that out, or figure out how to make that less than. I think I can get it down to 30 seconds of delay, which should be normal. But anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe and trade well. Come down lower than I want to. Alright, here we go, 620.
Order filled.
Oh, yep, stop. No problem, I'm out. That's $700 for the day on my prop account. That's not bad. We'll let it sit there. Keep trading it a little bit at a time. I don't trade P&L, I trade the levels, right? So hope you guys do the same thing. Trade the levels, don't trade P&L. Trade small, trade often, and you'll succeed.